Hello, let's today understand what is simple future and how is this tense going to help us in the journey of IELTS. Yes, so let's get started. First and foremost thing, what is the purpose of simple future? Why do we need, or what is the situation where we would need this tense? Simple future is used when we want to say something or I must say just to give an information about some activity or action that will take place in the future. Means just you are willing to give some kind of information of future activity. So when you just want to give information, simple future is the tense that will support. Now let us see how that tense looks like. Now here let's take a verb. Let's take a verb think. Now it will be I will think, we will think, you will think, he will think, she will think, it will think, and they will think. Now if you have noticed that for all these kind of pronouns, in future the same kind of verb is needed. Again here I would like to bring your attention to this word called will. Here many of us have confusion whether to write will or to write shall. Now there is a slight difference between these two words. Now when you are fortunately, or I must say that you are definitely going to do something, when you are definite about some action in the future, will is the word that you will use. But there are some high or low chances of doing something in future, then you will be using the word shall. So will is something when you are quite confident, you are definitely you are going to do something, then you will be using this will. Again when you are using simple future, you don't need anything between these two words. Now here will represents future and think is your main verb. So in previous videos I have informed you that why do we need some extra words or verbs in between. They represents the nature, they represents the tense up to a certain limit. And so here, as in simple future, we have everything, all the things that we need to indicate that our sentence represents simple future. So we have will for that, and we have the main verb in its first form, in its pure form. एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे ध्यान रखनी है कि यहाँ पे ही, she and it है, फिर भी हमने verb के पीछे ses नहीं लगाया है, वो सिर्फ हम simple present tense में ही लगाते हैं. So friends, this is a common structure of simple future. Let us see how to convert the simple future sentence into question and negative. Okay, so here I have written a sentence. It says the children will come early today. So here I have will and I have come as my main verb. You can pause the video, try by yourself converting this sentence into question and into negative. Let's do it. Let's check. What all things do I have? It says the children will come early today. So do you think that I would require some external word to convert this statement into question? Let's see. Can I write like this? Can I simply use the words that are there in the sentence to convert it into question? Can I? Yes, I can. Let's see how it will look once it will get converted into a negative. Very simple. Children will not come early today. Oh, my R is hanging up. Okay, so the children will not come early today. So जब भी आप सिंपल फ्यूचर के सेंटेंस को क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसके जो वर्ड्स है, will है, it is quite capable to help you convert that sentence into question. And just by adding not to the sentence, you can convert it into negative. अब बात आती है कि जनरली ये टेंस हमको IELTS में कहाँ पे यूज़ में आता है, कहाँ पे ये टेंस हमको हेल्प करता है. तो फ्रेंड्स, if you have practiced or if you have gone through the task 1 of IELTS academic, there you might have a table or a line graph or a pie chart. कभी कभी उसमें जो डेटा दिया जाता है वो फ्यूचर का भी होता है, तो तब आपको ये टेंस यूज़फुल होगा to convey your explanation. Not only this, when you are practicing your speaking, even there, if your question is focusing into future, the answer that you will be giving also will be in the future. At that time, you may need the help of simple future. So friends, when you are working on IELTS writing task 1 and the speaking, so pay attention to the tense that is being required. If it is simple future, then now you know that how you should use. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ कि आप क्या एरर जनरली लोग करते हैं, और अगर वो एरर आपने की है तो आप वो एरर को स्पॉट कर सकें. So here there are two sentences and I would like you guys to go ahead, spot the errors and see, do you usually make such kind of errors? क्या आपने फर्स्ट और सेकेंड सेंटेंसेस में एरर स्पॉट की? क्या आपने देखा कि क्या वर्ब है, हम कौन से टेंस में हैं, वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म यूज़ किया गया है? ये हर एक चीज़ पे आप फोकस कीजिए. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, इवन पे अटेंशन टू द सिचुएशन दैट इज़ यूजिंग दिस टेंस. सिर्फ वर्ब को देख के हमको टेंस पता चलता है, ये बात सही है, लेकिन क्या हमने उस सेंटेंस में वो टेंस को रिफ्लेक्ट करता हुआ सिचुएशन भी यूज़ किया है? ये भी देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि मैंने टेंस यूज़ किया है फ्यूचर जो सही यूज़ किया है, लेकिन जो पूरी सिचुएशन क्रिएट की है वो प्रेजेंट या पास्ट की है। तो दोनों ही चीज़ें आपको चेक करनी चाहिए जब आप आपका राइटिंग चेक करते हो, और जब स्पीकिंग की चेक करने की बारी आती है तो मेक श्योर कि आप जब भी स्पीकिंग करते हो IELTS का तो रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ, because only then you can spot your errors and rectify them. Okay, let's get back to this sentence. It says, father will be bring the books tomorrow. So here I have will, be and bring. So do you think that मुझे यहाँ पे be की कोई ज़रूरत है? नहीं। be का मतलब होता है होना, और यहाँ पे this be is again a verb and bring is again a verb. So I just need one verb in simple future. I don't need two verbs. So I will remove this. This is unnecessary. Let's check this one. It says the teacher will taught tenses in today's lecture. So here I have used will, and with will I have used taught, which is the past tense of teach. So this is a big mistake that I have created. So it will be the teacher will teach tenses. So friends, इस तरीके से आप एरर्स को स्पॉट करोगे आपके कंटेंट में। जब भी आप सिंपल फ्यूचर देखते हो तो चेक करो कि सिंपल फ्यूचर के पीछे वाला वर्ब, पहले तो मैंने एक ही वर्ब लिखा है, मैंने दो वर्ब्स नहीं लिखे। दूसरा वो वर्ब का फॉर्म, इट शुड बी इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू विल बी यूजिंग योर सिंपल फ्यूचर. अगर आप भी ये एरर्स करते हैं तो अब आई एम वेरी मच श्योर कि आप आपके एरर्स को अच्छी तरीके से स्पॉट कर पाएंगे, उनको रेक्टिफाई कर पाएंगे, और अब आप समझ पाएंगे कि क्या एरर्स है और इन्हें एरर्स क्यों कहते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस.